guys, my name is Yadari and this scripter for you. Look at this. Bitcoin is testing the EMA ribbon on the weekly time frame. We could break it right now. Also, the Bollinger Bands is opening. It's actually opening really widely and we're below the 20-week moving average. I'm going to be explaining you guys why this is super bearish for Bitcoin in this video and more. So let's get into it. So guys, look at this. The Bollinger Band, like I call it right now, the mouth is opening and we are below the 20-week moving average. This means that we could be falling because the 20-week moving average is being acted as resistance and the mouth is opening, which is a big signal that we could be dumping. If the Bollinger Bands was, let's just say like right here, you can see that the mouth was opening and the Bollinger Bands was about above the 20-week moving average, we started pumping. But since we're on the weekly time frame, it's a huge signal. Unlike a smaller time frame, it could be a smaller signal, but since this is on the weekly time frame, this is crazy, guys. This is really bearish for Bitcoin. Also, you can see that we're already breaking the EMA ribbon, and if we break this EMA ribbon, so the EMA 55, if we break it, we're done, guys, because look at this. Whenever we broke the EMA ribbon, we kept being inside of it, but it acted as resistance. So now, if the EMA starts acting as resistance, we could start going down. This is actually bearish for Bitcoin. This is really, really bearish. As long as we're inside or below the EMA ribbon, and we just fell inside of it, this is acting as resistance. But there's also a good thing. As long as we're inside the EMA ribbon, the bottom line is acting as support. So that's not letting us fall. So that is good. If we break the EMA ribbon to the downside, we could be falling to like $20,000. And maybe even less. But I believe $20,000 is a big place to fall. Because if we turn on the VPVR, you can see that we have, after we break the $30,000 level, the next support is all the way at 20,000, because in between there's practically no resistance, no support. It's practically empty space. There's nothing there. You can see that the VPVR is showing that there's nothing there. So the EMA ribbon, if we turn it on, the EMA ribbon, where's the support at? $32,000. If we break 32,500, and it might start going down, but if we break 32,500, 31,000, if we break the $30,000 level, we could be going to $20,000. And the Bollinger Bands is not looking great either. It's showing that we could be going down. But we do have some bullish things. The RSI and stochastic RSI. One of the original members of my indicator team, the Bollinger Bands, is also one of them in the volume. You can see that they are really, really low, guys. They are really, really low. This is on the weekly time frame. This hasn't happened that much before. The time that we were low is Corona dump, the bottom when they dumped after the 20,000 pump, and then when we were like right here at the start. So we haven't been that much, not counting these tiny levels, but you can see that we are all the way at 42, 43 on the RSI, but on the stochastic RSI we are at 0 on the weekly time frame. This could be bullish for Bitcoin. This is actually kind of bullish for Bitcoin, but as long as we're below the Bollinger Bands and inside the EMA ribbon, I am bearish on Bitcoin. So the only way for me to be bullish on Bitcoin is for either a miracle to happen or for Bitcoin to go above the EMA ribbon and break above the 20 EMA weekly time frame. Because this matters what Bitcoin's going to do. If Bitcoin's going to start dumping right now, we're done, because the Bollinger Bands is already predicting it, and we're going to break the $30,000 level, we could fall to $20,000. But of course, there's always a bright side to this, guys. If we dump, everyone loves cheap Bitcoin. Of course, you are losing money if you didn't sell, but everyone loves cheap Bitcoin. So if we go to $20,000, even though nobody wants to see Bitcoin go to $20,000, everyone loves cheap Bitcoin. So with that being said, Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. Telegram notifications, alert channel down below. I post alerts down there. And see you guys next video. Bye!